morning, student, the future leaders of Indonesia. Welcome to our civic class today. Let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Ibnu Grahadi Pangestu. You can call me Mr. Ibnu. I'm your civics teacher. Today, we're going to learn about something very important for every citizen, especially future officer and policymakers: the hierarchy of laws and regulation in Indonesia. Ready? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's pray together. Amin. May today's lesson bring us wisdom and understanding. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered who makes the laws that we must follow in Indonesia, and why are some rules stronger than others? Today, you will find out the answer. The Republic of Indonesia is a country based on law to realize country based on law. Various types of legal regulation have been created that guarantee the protection of citizens' rights and obligations. The Indonesian legal system is like pyramid. The higher is the position, is the stronger the law. Let's break it down. In the first position is Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. At the very top, we have 1945 Constitution or Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. It is the written basic law of the Republic of Indonesia and is the source of laws and regulation. The content of 1945 Constitution include guarantees of the human rights for every citizen, principle and foundation of the state, goals of the state, and so on. And the second level is Decrees of the People Consultative Assembly or TAP MPR. TAP MPR decree is a legal product of the MPR that used to have a higher position in the hierarchy of legislation. With this change in authority, the MPR no longer issues MPR decree that is of a general regulatory nature as in the past. The current MPR decree is a legal product produced before the amendment, and its validity status is regulated in MPR Decree number 1/MPR/2003. The third level is laws or undang-undang and government regulation in law of laws atau peraturan pemerintah pengganti undang-undang, are formed by the House of Representatives (DPR) with the joint approval of the President Government. In law of the law, Perpu atau peraturan pemerintah pengganti undang-undang, which is issued by the President in the case of urgent necessity and must obtain the approval of the DPR in the next session. And fourth level is government regulation or peraturan pemerintah, issued by the President to implement the law. The main function of government regulation is to implement the law. The contents of government regulation contain more detailed and technical rules regarding how the provisions in the law are implemented. And the fifth level is presidential regulation or Perpres, peraturan presiden, issued by the President to implement higher laws and regulation or in the next context of implementing government of the power presidential decrees are also formed to implement orders from higher laws and regulation, usually laws and government regulation. To determine or ratify draft Regency city regulations that have been jointly approved by the Regency City, DPRD, and the Region Mayor, contain context in the context of implementing regional autonomy and assistance tax, and accommodating special regional condition or future elaboration of special regional condition or future elaboration of higher legislation. Conclusion, understanding the hierarchy of laws help us respect and obey the right rules in the right order. As future leaders of Indonesia, you must know and uphold this legal structure with discipline and pride. Thank you for your attention, students. Stay disciplined, stay proud, and always uphold the law. See you in the next class. Thank you.